Welcome back. Day 14, 30-day meditation challenge. And today we're getting right to the meditation. We're going to do 4 minutes of a body scan for relaxation, followed by 4 minutes of silent meditation. And at the end of that 4 minutes, I will gently bring us out of the meditation. If you're not quite ready, find some place to sit down and get comfy. Here we go. Let's begin by closing our eyes and making sure we're nice and comfy and our back is supported. Eyes closed now, breathing. Take one full breath and exhale completely. And now as we move forward, breathe comfortably. For some people, deep, slow breathing feels best. For others, normal breathing feels better. Try both and see what works. And now, I'd like you to bring your awareness to the top of your head. Focus on your scalp. As you focus your awareness here, I'd like you to imagine a nice relaxation moves across your scalp, sinking down the back of your head and the sides of your head, and easing down into your forehead. Notice if you're holding any tension in your forehead, and allow this relaxation to sink down into your eyes as you relax your forehead, relax your eyebrows, relax your eyes, relax your eyelids, and just breathe. Just breathe. Relax your mouth, relax your jaws. Make sure there's space between your teeth. Your head and face should be a little more relaxed now. Please imagine this relaxation sinking down the back of your head, into the back of your neck, wrapping around the sides of your neck into your throat, easing down into your chest, through your shoulders, through your upper arms, through your elbows, through your forearms, your wrists, your hands, and fingers. Relax your hands and fingers. Now bring your awareness to your shoulders. Take a nice breath here and you'll notice your shoulders rise just a little bit. And when you exhale, see if you can release and relax your shoulders. Focus here for a few seconds. And allow your shoulders to soften and relax. Relax your back. Feel that relaxation wrap around your sides into your belly. Relax your belly. Keep breathing and feel the relaxation sink down through your hips, into your thighs, through your knees and into your calves, through your ankles and into your feet. Relax your feet and your toes and breathe. Just breathe and relax. Now we're going to enjoy 4 minutes more of this meditation in silence. As you sit here for the next few minutes, just do your best to relax. Keep breathing. Don't worry too much about the thoughts or the distractions. They're going to happen. Just let them be. Just let it be. In a few minutes, you'll hear my voice again. Then I'll bring us out of this meditation. In a moment, I'm going to count to 3. And when I say 3, open your eyes, feeling nice and relaxed. 1, beginning to bring your awareness back into the room, becoming aware of your surroundings. 2, preparing to open your eyes. 3, open your eyes. Come on back. Pause here for a moment. Think about how that went. Think about how you feel. Know that there's no right or wrong. We're just observing, noticing. Good job. I'll see you again tomorrow.